Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Mrs. Barbie, Barbie lover in West Haru. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking! Yay! So let me show you something. Ta-da! Doesn't it look good? Oh my gosh. Do you know what it is? I just made pink cornbread. We don't have cornbread in Japan and I really like cornbread actually. I got this cornbread mix from Trader Joe's the other day. Well, just for cheating, you know. Of course, I tried to make it in pink and I did like this. I know it's always hard to show you how pink it is in the camera, but in a person it looks pretty pink enough. And also I made pink clotted cream and also I put pink honey over it. So please watch how I made it. So today I really wanted to use this, my brand new pink silicone bacon mold. And I also have this cornbread mix from my favorite Trader Joe's. Yep, so I'm gonna cheat with this. So let's start. Put an egg. And put some oil. I heat some milk in microwave. Here I have some warm milk. And I'm gonna make this milk in pink with some beet powder. Yay! But today I need to bake. I'm kind of worried about if the color gets too dark today, so I might need to put little food color as well. Now I think it's good. So put this beet milk here, and I need even more milk and beet. Pretty pink. Now I put this cornbread mix. Wow, it really has corn. Since cornbread mix looks a little yellowish, now it looks a little orangey, but still pink. When I bake things, the beet powder gets darker, so I'm putting a tiny bit of food color today. It's optional, you don't have to. Alright, now I'm pouring this. Wow. So pink. And let's bake. I started smelling really good corn. Yeah, it's done. Ha! Ah! It looks like a chocolate chip. No, it looks good. I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, the top part, the corn looks a bit burned, but the inside looks pink. It looks perfect. Let's eat. Now I'm making some clotted cream. I am putting some beet powder. Yeah. Okay, now putting some whipping cream and keep mixing. When it gets too soggy, dump the liquid. Now I put some sugar. Let me cut. Oh my god, I'm totally breaking it. What? It looks so pink. And let's put some honey. And here, honey. For honey, simply mix with food color. I've never put food color in honey, so I don't know how it would turn out like. Okay, it looks like candy. And now I'm gonna put some honey on the top. So good. できた. I put some strawberries. Looks so good. It's so good. Literally, it could be a dessert, not just a side menu. So let me try this now. I know the honey already absorbed because I was setting up everything, and yeah, while I was doing it, honey kind of absorbed the cornbread. So it doesn't look that good anymore, but it looks so yummy. And the cream looks so good too. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me taste it. せーの、いただきます。First of all, I wanna try without cream. So good, so good. I definitely recommend with honey. Let me try with this butter. It's beyond delicious. It's めっちゃ美味しい。マジで美味しい。So this cream is the mixture of butter and whipped cream, and I added some sugar, and it tastes so good. I mean, how can I fail, right? I'm eating another one. This cute cup, Don't Ask Kim coffee mug, is available on Etsy, my Azusa Barbie official store on Etsy, so please check it out. Today I'm drinking pink tea. It's so good. I love this. So the cornbread itself is of course yummy. It was coming from the Trader Joe's box, so you know it was hard to fail. So the cornbread tastes good, and the pink honey is really good with cornbread, and also this butter and whipped cream. It just makes everything perfect. I love it. It's not a regular cornbread anymore. It's like a cute pink dessert now. So happy. So you know what? Even when you are cheating with the box from the store, you can still make the food cuter with your creativity, like I just did. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pink Classic Barbie Day. Bye.